Hey guys, today is the end of an era and the beginning of an era. The end of an era is I'm retiring my Nikon Coolpix P50, which you are watching this video on right now. My parents bought me a Canon VIXIA HF-100 HD camcorder over the weekend, and it just arrived. So I'm going to do a little video on me unwrapping it. So here we go. Turning off the tape. Alright. Got our shipment order. We bought it from Best Buy. Packaging. Here it is. Right there. And that is beautiful. So we open it up here. Some software, booklet thing, and see here, cables to plug into your TV. More cables that I really don't know of. Let's see. Looks like a charger. And here is the camera. Right here. So this is the last video that you're going to see on that camera, and all of my new videos will be on this camera. Thanks for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe as always. See you later.